Craving a dish full of irresistible flavors and textures? Imagine juicy chicken thighs, sumptuous sweet potatoes, and a tangy lemon soy sauce. Sounds divine, doesn't it? Welcome to a culinary journey where we embrace these elements and create a dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Begin by heating a pan and searing the chicken thighs until they are golden brown and juicy. Meanwhile, prepare the sweet potatoes. Boil them in salted water, then cube them. Add these cubes to the pan, allowing them to soak up the chicken flavors. To elevate this dish, make a small incision in the thighs and cook them with a delicious white chicken broth. The sauce, which gives this dish its unique edge, is a blend of cornstarch and water, to which we add a dash of soy sauce and the juice of a yellow lemon. Throw in some crushed garlic and fresh oregano to infuse an unmatched aroma and taste into the mix. Once the sauce thickens, pour it over the chicken and sweet potatoes, allowing the ingredients to meld and enhance their flavors. Cook for a few additional minutes to ensure all elements perfectly integrate. To finish, present this delectable dish on a hard-crust country bread, providing a crunchy texture. Add a decorative touch with fresh herbs such as parsley and lemon thyme. This meal is perfect for turning an ordinary day into something special and delicious. The juicy chicken thighs, the soft sweet potatoes, and the lemon soy sauce create a unique combination that will surely leave you wanting more. Time to enjoy. Remember to like the video and subscribe for more incredible recipes. Leave your comments about your experiences trying this recipe. See you in the next video with more delicious flavors and cooking tips. Until next time, my people.